Ramadan Mubarak to everyone, my lovely people. Let's fry this egg for sahur and then use it to do our fasting. It's very simple. If you don't have anything to eat for sahur, for your fasting, you can fry this simple, nice, healthy egg to use it for your fasting, my lovely, wonderful people. So here I chop all my vegetables, all my carrots and cucumber and spring onions. I didn't use much, this is what I have, but you can add more vegetables. And I add my egg in it and mix everything together. Now I put a little bit of oil in the saucepan and put it on the stove. So I'm adding my egg in the oil for it to fry. So you can do this and use it for sahur, for your fasting, or you can use it to eat after you want to break your fasting. Anytime you wish to make it and then enjoy. It's very simple and very healthy for everybody. You can eat anytime you prefer. So I'm allowing it to fry before mixing everything together. Here it is. Thank you so much for my followers and my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, continue subscribing to this channel for more amazing recipes. And now I'm mixing everything together. Mixing it together for everything to fry and fry very well. Here's it, I'm mixing it very fast. Look at it, it looks very amazing and very tasty and very yummy and very healthy. You can enjoy this too, and it's very simple to make. Thank you so much, my lovely, wonderful people. You can enjoy this with bread or rice or spaghetti. Yes, but for me, I'm just enjoying it like that with my tea and a little bit of my bread. I like to eat bread and egg so much, so this is the only thing I can do and then enjoy. So I know that you also can do it at home and then enjoy it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Ciao. Bye bye. Ramadan Mubarak.